Hi, Dr. Brad with Weedman Lawn Care. Today we're out on a brand new lawn that was seeded about a month ago. I want to take you through the steps it's going to take to get your brand new lawn in great condition. The first spring and first fall since establishment are really the most important times for our brand new lawn, and they can take 1 to 2 years to get full establishment. And it really is a partnership between you and your lawn and the cultural practices, watering, mowing, and fertilization to really increase that density through year 1 and into year 2. As you can see out here today, we still have some thin areas on this lawn and we still have some weeds in this property, absolutely expected in a brand new lawn, and we'll talk about how we can control these weeds a little bit later in the video. As you can see, we still have an irrigation system on this property. Brand new lawns need to be watered 4, 5, 6 times a day, usually for only 5 or 6 minutes when we're in the middle of the summer. In spring and fall, you can reduce that frequency a little bit. You compare this to established lawns where maybe the duration is much longer of that irrigation event. However, you're only doing it once or twice a week. So really important to keep irrigating these lawns as they're coming in. Also mowing. When can you mow your lawn? As soon as anything, weeds or grass, is greater than 3 inches, feel free to mow it down to 3 inches. This is going to help your grass density increase. It's also going to help control some of those weeds that don't like to be mowed. When you're mowing your brand new lawn, you still want to follow the 1/3 rule and not mow below 3 inches. You also want to make sure, because we're watering our lawn on a daily basis, let it dry out for a few hours so we're not causing any ruts with our mower or footprints from walking across the property. And as far as the weeds that we see out on the property, a lot of these are just native in the soil. They start growing as soon as we provide water and sunlight. We can't really do anything for weed control until you've mown your lawn 2 or 3 times. So don't worry, even though they're coming up, resist the urge to go out and pull those weeds. A lot of the warm season grassy weeds like crabgrass will die in the winter and won't come back. All your broadleaf weeds will only take 1 or 2 weed control applications to control. And remember, with these new lawns as they establish, we can fertilize at any time. That will absolutely help the density. But we do need to remember that we want to wait until you've mown the lawn multiple times before we do any weed control, as it does pose a risk to new seedlings. Weedman Lawn Care can absolutely help you out with that fertilization and correct weed control timing in establishing your new lawn. So the biggest thing we want to be worried about with these brand new lawns is establishment. Let's fertilize it, let's water it, let's mow it. We'll control those weeds at a later date and enjoy your brand new lawn. And thank you very much to Veridian for allowing us to come out and use their lawn as an example.